Hey guys, welcome back to Hygienic Truths. My name's Trevor, as you probably well know by now. The next one on the list today is the hygienic definition of disease, part 2. So let's get on with it. It's an interesting statement. Disease is not the opposite of health, but an expression of a healthy vitality. Once we understand what this means, looking after your own health becomes easy. It is a misconception that we have to fight disease. It will not occur unless it's caused. When understanding the hygienic definition of disease, we see that when we overload the body with toxic maladies, the body institutes a healing crisis that we call disease and attribute to an outside force. This belief is incorrect. Our consumption of toxic food, drink, and all other toxic products, from skincare to poisonous air, creates toxicity. And once the body is overloaded, we go into a house cleansing system that brings with it discomfort to remind you to stop with the toxic inputs. This is what disease really is. There are 7 stages of disease, and the stage of disease determines our level of health. First stage is enervation, or lacking energy. We all suffer this one. Second stage is toxemia. We can relate this to colds and viruses, the first level of house cleansing. These are not invading entities. This is a body instigated to rid the body of accumulated wastes. Next is irritation. This is when we feel itchy, queasy, jumpy, or uneasy. This stage is bothersome but not too painful. Stage 4. Now it's getting serious. We're talking inflammation, generally diagnosed as an itis, like appendicitis or tonsillitis. All the organs have an itis associated to them. Generally a painful experience. If all these avenues of elimination are not working effectively enough, the body will go into ulceration and push toxins out through these openings. Body's getting desperate now. At this stage, if we stop the house cleansing, the ulceration blocks, and now you have induration, which is the body encapsulating the toxins, which is often diagnosed as cancer, when really only a tumour formation has occurred. It's a way of encapsulating the toxins to prevent them from poisoning you. This is the last stage of intelligent control. If all of these systems fail or get overwhelmed, cells become parasitic, living off nutrients they obtain from the lymph fluid, but contributing nothing to the body economy. The first 6 stages are the process of purification or of repair. The 7th stage is your last chance to recognize what you're doing wrong before it kills you. The simple understanding of the practices of natural hygiene creates a disease pain-free life, as you have the ability to restore your body to pristine health at any time. Making baby steps towards health is invigorating when you have the truth behind you, as the effects are almost instant. The body has the ability to heal from any stage of disease if you furnish it with the right environment. Cancer is not a death sentence, but if not understood, there are no other warning systems left. So it's now or never. Take control of your health. Learn life science and natural hygiene. I have all this information and are happy to pass it on for free, as the truth should never come with a cost. Thanks for listening, guys, and hope to see you on the next one. I hope that you visit my channel. Don't forget to like. Thanks. Bye.